Hello and welcome to this video about the future of robotics technology and how it's changing human life forever. According to Peter Abiel, the founder of UC Berkeley Robot Learning Lab, we are witnessing a new class of robots that will play a crucial role in our households and workplaces in the next 5 years. Let's explore some standout examples. First, there are collaborative robots or cobots that can work alongside humans in a variety of tasks, from assembling products to delivering packages. Cobots are designed to be safe, flexible, and easy to program, and they can boost productivity and quality while reducing costs and errors. For instance, Amazon is using thousands of cobots in its fulfillment centers to sort, pack, and ship orders more efficiently. Second, there are service robots that can assist humans in daily activities, such as cleaning, cooking, and monitoring health. Service robots can enhance autonomy, convenience, and well-being, especially for elderly or disabled people. For instance, SoftBank Robotics has developed Pepper, a humanoid robot that can recognize faces, emotions, and voice commands, and interact with humans in natural language. Third, there are agricultural robots that can help farmers optimize crop yields, reduce waste, and protect the environment. Agricultural robots can perform tasks such as planting, pruning, spraying, and harvesting with precision and efficiency, using sensors, AI, and GPS technologies. For instance, John Deere has introduced a series of autonomous tractors that can operate day and night, under various weather and soil conditions, and analyze data on soil quality and crop health. Fourth, there are medical robots that can assist doctors and nurses in diagnosis, surgery, and rehabilitation. Medical robots can improve accuracy, speed, and safety, and enable remote consultations and treatments, especially in rural or underserved areas. For instance, Intuitive Surgical has developed Da Vinci, a surgical robot that can perform complex procedures with minimal invasion and faster recovery time. Finally, robots are being used in education to enhance learning experiences and provide personalized learning opportunities for students. Robots can assist in teaching subjects such as science and math, providing interactive and engaging experiences that help students learn more effectively. In conclusion, new robotics technology is changing human life forever, with advancements in autonomous vehicles, healthcare, manufacturing, agriculture, and education. As we continue to develop new and innovative robotics technologies, we can expect to see even more profound impacts on our daily lives. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative and exciting.